Let's watch the video.
Great! What's it about?
Today, it's about county fairs in the USA.
County fairs? I wonder what people do there.
I think there are some animals to see and lots of things to do.
I think there's nice food to eat. Let's watch and find out.
In the USA, there are many county fairs in the summer, in July and August. Let's go to one of these exciting festivals. There are many things to see and fun things to do. The fairs can last for a week or more, so lots of people can visit. Some fairs have thousands of visitors. That's a lot of people. You can see many different farm animals at the county fairs. There are cows, goats, and sheep. Students work with the farm animals. Students take care of the animals. They brush their fur and give them food. People bring their best animals to show. Which cow is the most beautiful? Which sheep is the best? People like to see tractors at the fair too. There are new tractors and old tractors. It's interesting to watch them. Tractors can pull very heavy things. Look, which tractor is the strongest? The rodeo is starting. At a rodeo, we watch people riding their horses. They sometimes ride them very fast. It looks exciting, but it can be dangerous. People come to the fair to ride on the roller coaster, the Ferris wheel, and the other rides. They have lots of fun. We can play games at the fair too. What do you want to play? Are you hungry? There are so many different foods to try. There's pizza and chicken, ice cream and sweets. It's getting late. It's time to go home. Everyone is tired. What a great time we had at the county fair.
That was great. I had a lot of fun watching the video.
Me too. What do you like doing at festivals?
I like eating good foods.
I like riding on the Ferris wheel.